Hey, this is Seth keeping it real. What I am about to show you is a very cool interview I was able to conduct in China. At the end of this video, I'm going to briefly tell you about something I want to give you. It is a full sheet on the provinces in China that shows you where the factories are, not just the location, but the kind of factories. So if you're looking for legitimate clothing factories, where do you go? Textile factories, where do you go? Electronics, where do you go? And I learned a ton when I went to China. This video is an interview with a woman by the name of Olivia. And she understands China like nobody's business. She has been to 5 different countries to expand her understanding of culture, and she teaches people Chinese culture, and we were so blessed to be a part of that. So I hope you enjoy. So we are sitting here in Shanghai, China, and I want to introduce you to Olivia. Olivia is an amazing person. She is taking us all over Shanghai, helping us with currency exchange, teaching us about dumplings and how they work. We even had some duck blood, and it was good. It was tasty. So we were learning a ton of stuff. And she basically, what I learned about Olivia through a friend is she has ShanghaiPrivateTours.com, which is a company that has hosted events even for people like Kobe Bryant. So what do you guys do as a company? How do you help people who want to come to China or Shanghai and learn about the country here and the culture?
Okay, so normally we help people, from all over the world who could speak English. Most of the language was English, or German, Spanish, or Russian. So they want to travel to China. The language barrier, we offer the tours, translator, or vehicles for the people. And also we arrange the event for the Formula One. The company in the Holland use our service. Like we offer the Benz, the Sprinter, the Viano, the nice cars for them as
Very
well.
nice.
Yeah.
So if you were looking to come to China, and these are specifically for Shanghai?
No, all over China.
All over China.
Yes.
Okay, so anywhere you want to go in China, if you were looking for someone to help you, you get here, like how do I get to the train station? How do I get my currency exchange rate? How do I do all these things? She will show you and help you. And it's not just Olivia, she has a team of people. So for example, when we got to the airport, it's kind of overwhelming when you're in a different country and everything's in Chinese and you don't understand it. Like I know 2 or 3 words now. I know ni hao, xi xie, she, those are the easy ones. There's a lot more I need to learn. But I didn't know these. But she had a driver pick us up and they have a little sign that says my name on it. And so she was able to pick us up. We got in the car, they took us straight to the hotel. So if you guys need help in China and you want to save some of that stress that you would have otherwise, talk to Olivia. It's ShanghaiPrivateTours.com. And I'm telling you guys, this city is amazing. You need to come here. I'm in China right now. You need to, if you come here, go eat their dumplings. It is the best Chinese food I have ever eaten. They stuff them with crab and pork. And you don't have to get the duck blood if you don't want. And I did dip them in the ginger, so it really helped. It was very tasty.
Tastes like tofu, right?
Yeah.
If I don't tell you, it's like a red tofu.
It's like tofu, but it's better than tofu. See, I don't like tofu that much. But this was much more flavorful. Tofu is too plain for me.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you couldn't tell it's like the blood.
Oh, no, not at all.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys have an awesome day. See you. Hey, I hope that was extremely encouraging to you. This is Seth keeping it real. Click the link below to get that spreadsheet on provinces in China and the factories and their locations based on what kind of goods they are producing. I wish you an awesome day and keep crushing it.